Introducing the all-new iDream Pro Massage Chair by iRobo Wellness, your smart wellness solution for modern living. Engineered with dual movement technology, the iDream Pro chair uses two independent massage mechanisms to deliver a deeper, more targeted and more relaxing full body massage. Even your head gets the royal treatment with air compression and rollers targeting the temples, scalp and neck base. Too relaxed to touch? Just speak. The intelligent voice control system lets you activate and adjust your massage hands-free. Feel fully enveloped in comfort. With king-sized airbags, the iDream Pro delivers a full body air massage across your shoulders, arms, hips, calves and feet. Whether you want a fully automated session or complete control over every setting, the iDream Pro lets you customize your massage. Use the auto mode to pick intensity and speed, toggle heating, then save with a long press. Your favorite setup, just the way you like it. Use manual mode to create your own massage sequence. Choose the technique, adjust intensity, roller speed, air pressure, and focus on the exact body zone. Then save it for next time. From relieving neck and shoulder stiffness to easing lumbar pressure and improving posture to boosting leg circulation and reducing swelling, the iDream Pro cares for your whole body. More than a massage chair, the iRobo iDream Pro is your personal wellness retreat at home. Reimagine relaxation every day. There are 24 automatic programs that are designed around your lifestyle. First, we have the Zone program. It includes full body, neck and shoulder, lower back, leg rest, upper body, and lower body. Next, we have the Theme program. This includes powerful massage, gentleman massage, ladies massage, elder mode, sitting posture massage, stretch massage. The treatment program includes yoga, full mechanical, all air mode, powerful neck, powerful waist, and rocking. The music therapy program includes Soul, Rejoice, Leisure, Energy, Refresh, and Bluetooth. You can customize your experience with the Customize Auto and Customize Manual mode. The volume button includes cue and music volume. The heat button can be used to switch it on or off or adjust it to your liking. The time button can be used to adjust your session from 10 to 60 minutes. Use the language button to select your language of choice. Use the shoulders up and the shoulders down to adjust the shoulder height. Use incline and recline to adjust the backrest. Use legs up and legs down to adjust the leg rest. Use extend legs to extend the leg rest and recline legs retract the leg rest. Use 0 button to secure the 0 gravity position. Use 4D button to adjust 4D intensity and use vibration button to adjust vibration intensity. Use the method button to access kneading, rolling, knocking, shiatsu, combination, and tapping massage methods. Use massage area button to access full body, section or focus options. Use width button to access wide, medium or narrow options. Use massage speed to access 1 to 6 speeds. Use airbag intensity to access 1 to 6 intensities. Use air cell zone to access head, waist, arms, hips, legs and full body option. Use the roller speed option to access calf roller and sole roller options. Use the pause button to pause your massage. Use the rotate button to access shortcuts. Press the rotate button to access massage modes. Use the wireless charging port to charge your mobile phone.